Hi, I'm Nitya, your tutor at Nityaz Academy. Let's learn triangle properties and special segments together, step by step. Two facts power most triangle problems. First, the three interior angles always add to 180 degrees. Second, an exterior angle, formed by extending one side, equals the sum of the two interior angles far from it, called the remote interior angles. These two rules let you chase down almost any missing angle. Inside every triangle lie special segments. A median runs from a vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side. An altitude drops from a vertex perpendicular to the opposite side. It's the height. And a midsegment connects two midpoints. It's always parallel to the third side and exactly half its length. That midsegment fact is a favorite on tests. A triangle has angle A equal to 65 degrees and angle B equal to 48. To find angle C, use the angle sum. All three add to 180. 65 plus 48 is 113. So angle C equals 180 minus 113, which is 67 degrees, quick and reliable every single time. Here the base BC of a triangle is 18 units long. A midsegment connects the midpoints of the other two sides and runs parallel to BC. By the midsegment theorem, its length is exactly half the base. So 1/2 of 18 gives 9 units. No measuring needed. The rule hands you the answer directly. Let's review. Interior angles total 180, and an exterior angle equals the two remote interior angles. A median heads to a midpoint, an altitude is the perpendicular height, and a midsegment is parallel to the base at half its length. Keep these in your toolkit, and triangle problems will feel almost effortless. Great work. Keep practicing with Nitya at nityazacademy.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice.